Well, it's Saturday, a little later than I liked. I had to go to work. You know, the scourge of the middle class, work. It's a balmy 62 in here. But I'm going to have to let that go by the wayside because I got to open the door and get this thing out of here so I can start sanding. That's what I got to do. Sand. Sharp eye will notice something I just scanned by right then. We'll see if anybody spots it. Alright, let me crank this thing up and get it out of here. I paid the boy some money to shine up the chrome. He done pretty good. Didn't miss much. That's a sweet bike. I'm going to try to ride it more this year. Last year I didn't burn I think the last 3 years I haven't burned a tank of gas in it. That's kind of pitiful, isn't it? It is kind of pitiful. Looks like I need to clean up my workbench again. Doggone. Alright, I haven't checked in a while, and that's because I've been sanding. I'm almost done, really. All I gotta do, look at that, there's a little something there I didn't anticipate. All I got left to do is finish sanding this quarter panel, the bumper cover, this quarter panel, and that door. And then I can shoot another coat of primer on it. Alright, let me get back to sanding. Still sanding. But I'm almost done. Like I said before, all I got left to do now is that door. And part of that rocker. Everything else, pretty done. I did find a dent right here I didn't know I had, so I might have to get it out the Bondo again. But that's not the end of the world. A little thin one there. And I probably needed just a scotch, but that'll almost be covered by the trim, but it is just a little. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little fill on it. I'll hate myself if I don't. These things always take longer than you think. Uh-oh, I forgot to sand that spot. Alright, I got it all sanded and it's ready for one more coat of primer. Had a little dent here, didn't really expect, but a little Bondo. Tell you that, Evercoat Rage works good. I sanded that with 220. Oh wait, I ain't done sanding. I got a little bit to do right there. Alright, well, I'm almost done sanding. I went ahead and put a little Bondo right there. Sand it with 220. I think with some primer, it'll be good. I think this will be the last coat of primer. That's what I think. So, I better get crack-a-lacking. There's Bondo dust all over everything, or primer dust. Everything. Anyway, I done got it primed. As you can see, as soon as I got done doing that, I went in the house and took a shower, and then I cooked some chicken, which is pretty tasty. So now all I gotta do is sand this thing one more time. And that's it. That's it. One more time. So, until then, which should probably be tomorrow, I'm going to go on and ring the bell. Did you see the dust coming off it? It's kind of neat, right? Don't forget to go to MrHeavyChevy.com where you can get you some cool hats, sweatshirts, t-shirts, cups, pens, stickers, and other necessary items to complete your day. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you.